without any updates regarding PhD admission in NIT. They have given notification for hot semester or July session 2021-22. They are inviting application for this one, 9 category of PhD admission. In that, the main is regular research scholar with institute fellowship. In that, there are various departments like probiotics. Total they have 2 seats. No, total 6 seats. Then civil 6 seats. Chemical 6. Computer science 11. Chemistry 4. Electronics 6. Electrical 6. Then earth and environmental science 1. Humanity and social science total 2. Mathematics 4. Mechanical engineering total 9 seats. Metallurgical and material engineering total 5. And industrial is 4 seats total 4 seats. And the second category regular research scholar with financial support from government programs like CSIR, UGC, DBT are given fellowship for regular research scholar. For that they must have cleared their national level exams for like JRF and other things for PhD admission. Category C is regular research scholar selected in externally funded sponsored project in the institute. Means any candidate who is currently working in any sponsored project at NIT Durgapur, then they can also apply for this PhD program. Category D, regular research scholar under QIP or EFIP scheme. This is not applicable. Category E, regular foreign research scholar admitted through government of India. It is also not applicable. Next category, professional research scholars from institute. Means if anyone working in NIT Durgapur, then they can also apply for this PhD. Next category, regular sponsored research scholars from government or semi-government or other highly reputed organization or academic or research institution. Means these organization will be sponsoring you for PhD admission. Next category, professional sponsored research scholar from reputed industry. Means private or government industries will sponsor you for PhD admission, and in that they also provide you salary. Category I, professional research scholar from academic or research institution. Means any government or private engineering institutes or other institutes are sponsoring you for this PhD admission. For that also you have to submit NOC. Next, professional sponsored research scholar under government of India schemes like TechCube, etc. It will be guided by TechCube norms. These all are the status of seats and various category other than A in different department, and centers are given below. You can take a screenshot and apply according to that. Here the basic criteria they have given: qualifying degree if you have ME, MTech, MArch, MPharma, MS or MBA, PGDM, PGDBM, PGDM. For general, if you have 6.5 CGPA, then you can apply. For SC/ST, it is 6 or 55%. If you have MA, MSc, MCom, MBBS, BDS, then also you can apply. For MA candidate also they can apply. For MCA it is also applicable. For if you want to directly do PhD after BE, BTech, BF, B Pharma or equivalent, then you must have CGPA 7.5 or 20% marks, and for SC/ST 7 CGPA or 65% marks. For MCA same percentage means qualification criteria like 7.5 CGPA and 70% marks, or for SC/ST 7 CGPA or 65% marks. If you have done qualified CI, CW, AI or CS with graduation degree, then and you have 6 CGPA or 55% marks or 5.5 CGPA or 50% marks, then you can apply. In the category A means regular research scholar with institute assistantship, You must have B Tech, B Arc, B Pharma or equivalent with valid GATE, or ME M Tech, M Arc or M Pharma degree with or without GATE qualification. Means if you have GATE, then you will be preferred, but if you have not, then according to application received by institute, they can shortlist you. Other postgraduate or graduate degree with any relevant NET qualification. Means if you are science graduate and if you want to do PhD in engineering, then you must have NET qualification. List of NETs that conducted by different organizations like CSIR, EGC, GATE, JAM, GPAT, DBT, GRF, GIST, ICMR, ICAR, NBHM, Bioinformatics, National Certification Exams, etc. If you have qualified anyone, then you can apply for this fellowship. The organization will provide you the fellowship. Category B and C as per the terms and condition of funding or sponsoring agency. And for category F, G, H, I, the GATE and NET qualification is not mandatory. Here it is written that eligibility criteria is given above is the minimum requirement. Only good academic career and higher qualification will be preferred. However, satisfying the mere eligibility shall not ensure a call for admission test and or viva voce. They have cleared that. If your CGPA is in candidate need to maintain CGPA along with percentage of marks as awarded by their university or institutes only. In case of unavailability of percentage of marks, in IIT Durgapur norms for conversion of CGPA to percentage of marks will be applicable. These all are the different departments are listed below, and that what the eligibility required they have clearly mentioned. The above one is like general, but if you are if you want to see individual departments, then they have given this. You can take the screenshot for that. For every department they have given, like for mechanical eligibility degree, B Tech in mechanical or production if you have, then you can apply, or MEM Tech in thermal production, manufacturing, machine design, fluid mechanics, hydraulic machine, power engineering, automobile engineering, material science, engineering, mechanics, mechatronics, robotics, then you can apply. Likewise for every departments they have individual discipline related in which you can apply for this PhD programs. These are the centers at which you can do your research work. Center Research on Environment and Water, Center for Biomedical Engineering and Assistive Technology, Center for Advanced Research on Energy. Financial supports, it is as per government norms. Mode of application online. Application B, they are taking 1500 for general and AWS OBC, and for SC/ST or PWD 1000 rupees. Account details they have given. In that you have to submit your payment, and the payment proof also you have to take. Closing date for submission of online application 28 August. Publication of list of applicants September 2. Then verification of document and uploading of any relevant document on demand, that is by September 9. Then date of publication of shortlisted candidates by the respective department or sender September 13. Online admission test and viva voce from September 18 to 22. Publication of list of selected candidate on September 27. Admission online or offline, and enrollment of selected candidate will be done on September 29, 2021. Wait-listed candidate will be notified later. They have not given any dates. And for wait-listed candidate admission dates also they have not given. Physical reporting will be also decided later. These all are the selection procedure. You take a screenshot and read according to that. Postal accommodation. NIIT residential. Each and every regular student will be required to reside in hostel subjected to availability of vacant seats. However, no married accommodation are provided presently in the campus. They have given fee structure. It is in the institute website. PhD regulation amended 2019. You can read from that. These all are the application checklist for various category. We have to prepare your document according to that and upload it during our application process. self-attested copies of net quality as per the requirement of corresponding funding agency as per applicable, self-attested copy of NOC certificate from project supervisor as per the format given in the website. There are various certificates they have provided, not here provided, maybe in the institute website they have given. You can take the format from that. So that's all about the details of PhD admission in NIT Durgapur. Share it with your friends who want to apply for PhD admission, and if you have not subscribed the channel till now, please subscribe as soon as possible.